So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and increase your Snapchat score super fast. Now to do this, it really doesn't take too much time. There's a couple of things you can do. Number one, the best thing you can do for the most part is to just go through and send a lot of Snapchats. If you just go through and send a bunch of Snapchats at one time, that is basically going to be the easiest way for you to go ahead and basically increase your score. So as long as you send Snapchats every day, if you send your Snapchats to multiple friends, if you create a streak with different people, that can also go through and basically start to give you a little bit more of a higher Snapchat score here. So go ahead and start taking Snapchats and go and start sending them out. And you want to see if that ends up, increasing your score. On top of that, if you go through and open up Snapchats that people send you, that will also give you a little bit more of a, increase of your score. As long as you're opening up Snapchats and people are sending you Snapchats as well, that's another really, really important way of kind of increasing your score. On top of that, you can go through and basically use stories and use group chats to basically start increasing your score as well. So just go through and basically just go inside of your posts right here, your stories, start posting some stories, start posting into more of your group chats and different things like that. And that's another thing you can do. Now, another thing you can do is just to avoid becoming too much of a spammer. So don't go through and just take one Snapchat and then just keep sending it to 10,000 people. Snapchat might even ban your account if you do that, but just use it as you normally would. And if you just calmly use Snapchat and you just go through and you send snaps to other people and different things like that, Snapchat over time, they can go through and start to increase your score natively and naturally. So that's another thing you can try doing there too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.